Did you know most phone drops happen within the first 3 months of owning a new device? If you've just picked up the iPhone 16 Pro Max, protecting it is more than a choice. It's a necessity. Welcome to AllCasesHere, your ultimate source for the best phone cases in 2025. Today, we're diving into the top 5 iPhone 16 Pro Max cases that promise to deliver premium protection without compromising on style. Want to find your perfect match? Check out the links in the description and let's jump in. First up at number 5, we have the ESR Cyber Series. Did you know it can survive a 23-foot drop? That's right, this case promises military-grade protection and a sleek design that doesn't weigh you down. With a 3-layer structure, it absorbs shocks effortlessly, while the magnetic lock ensures a seamless Magsafe experience. The camera stand is a bonus, making it perfect for binge-washing tools. It's a snug fit on installation, but once on, it's rock solid. Looking for the ultimate drop protection and style? This case has you covered. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Next, at number 4, we've got TORRAS Magnetic. Here's a fun fact. This case uses Mag patented tech, making its magnetic power 2x stronger than most. Whether it's charging or mounting in your car, the 38 powerful magnets ensure a secure lock, even on bumpy rides. With military-grade protection and 360D airbags, this case shields your phone from drops and impacts. Boy, that's around hunting. It's slim, sleek, and scratch-resistant. If you love style without sacrificing protection, this one's a winner. But if you're looking for more color options, you might be left wanting. What do you think? Drop your thoughts below. At number 3, we have the Casekoo Ultra Magnetic. Did you know this case has sold over 20 million units worldwide? No wonder. Its sleek design lets your iPhone shine, and the upgraded magnetic stand makes it perfect for hands-free viewing. The case offers strong magnetic power that works flawlessly with Magsafe accessories. It's tough against drops and scratches, but some might wish it came in more colors. Still, with its blend of style and solid protection, this is definitely one of the best iPhone 16 Pro Max cases of 2025. What's your take? Let us know in the comments. Coming in at number 2 is the SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Mag. This case combines style, strength, and innovation, offering military-grade protection and shock-absorbing airbag corners. The raised bezels protect the screen and camera, keeping your phone safe from everyday drops. The seamless Magsafe compatibility is a game-changer for magnetic chargers, car mounts, and card holders. Plus, it's made from eco-friendly Bayer material that resists yellowing, so your phone always looks fresh. It's a little bulky for some, but with this level of protection and style, it's worth it. What do you think? Let us know below and check out the link to grab yours. And finally, at number 1, we have the pitaka Aramid Fiber Woven case. Picture a case so light and sleek, you'll forget it's even there. But with durability straight from Aramid Fiber, it's ultra-durable, scratch-resistant, and signal-friendly, unlike carbon fiber. The 3D grip technology offers a smooth, non-slip feel, while the stylish, chamfered edges make it easy to hold. With Magsafe slimboard tech, charging and accessory compatibility are top-notch. The minimalist design is pure eye candy, but it comes at a premium price. Still, if you want lightweight luxury and robust protection, this case is worth every penny. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. So there you have it, the best iPhone 16 Pro Max cases of 2025. Which one caught your eye? Well, the links are in the description, so be sure to check them out. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome case reviews. Thanks for watching.